All right, so this is going to be the first ride. So I just had the exhaust put on. It's not going to sound so great coming through my speaker in my helmet, but I'll get some clips out later. I just did the full Termi exhaust system, which have a couple of guys that I ride with have it, and the sound is just unbelievable. They showed me some pictures yesterday as they were taking the exhaust system off, and they weighed the catalytic converter. There's no more cat under there where all that big space is now. The catalytic converter was just under 15 pounds. It's crazy. Let's give it a sound. Oh, they did take the baffle out. I'm going to come back and pick up the old exhaust and the baffle system. All right, let's get out of here. All right, we're going. She's a throaty girl. That Termignoni exhaust does come with a full map update. He's right, rolling on the highway. Really can't hear it. Can't feel a huge difference. I wanted to get off there. Oh well. Let's make a ride. I don't feel like giving it a little ride. I'll work my way back there. Rather than just zoom on Route 9 home. There she goes. At idle, she don't sound bad at all. It's when you give it a good flop. Whee! What I wanted to see was what the throat would be like through the midsection.